What's up guys, LOGICON here, back again with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a neat little accessory to make sure you can still play your old gaming consoles on your new TV. Let's get into it. What we're taking a look at today is an RCA to HDMI video converter, which if you have an old gaming console can come in quite handy. Upon opening the package itself, you're going to find a mini USB power wire as well as the device itself. When taking a look at the device, you're going to see an input for RCA and an output for HDMI. That is unidirectional, so you can't shoot from HDMI to RCA, only RCA to HDMI. The only other two things on the box are going to be a USB power and a 1080p or 720p switch, so you can choose which setting fits you best. And that's about it. This device works great. It brings back the sights and sounds of the games we used to know and love with a modern touch. And for only $12, I'll leave a link in the description where you can find this device on Amazon. And as always, thanks for watching guys, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date for more awesome content.